AOKMAN, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers. Over 30 years of experience in gearbox manufacturing. AOKMAN always improved gearing technologies with the spirit of craftsmen. Superior research and development design capabilities have become the primary productive force of AOKMAN's rapid development. R&D concept. Inspiration to provide the perfect drive solution for our customers is the foundation behind research and development. AOKMAN has a professional gear and reducer technology research and development team and reached the international advanced level in the technology of gear, reducer, and power transmission elements. Mechanical machining. Cutting-edge production technology is the essential building block to achieve high-performance geared products in order to the AOKMAN's customers are asking for. The high-tech equipment and specialized labor guarantees reliability, quality, and uniformity of heat treatment processes. The industrial complex has been steadily upgraded with leading-edge machinery which ensures quality according to international normal and stands. ISO, DIN, and AGMA, and precision in producing gears with quality grade 6, ISO 1328. AOKMAN imported equipment from German, such as the CNC gear teeth grinders and milling cutters. The Niles and Hoffler gear controller allows for ideal precision in gear production. AOKMAN Factory offers the most efficient high-precision production lines, flexible and specialized assembly coating lines, and the digital management system. Protect the environment by using natural resources wisely and seeking benefits to society and the environment. Quality control. At AOKMAN, we know quality is very important to our customer, and we instill that responsibility in every employee. Stringent quality control is carried out at each production stage, from arrival of the raw materials to delivery of the tested, approved products. Any release of the quality control is performed by the precision measuring tools and modern measuring equipment. Warehouse. Warehouse information management is the key to improve efficiency and fast delivery. Parts warehouse implemented barcode management, and the inventory accuracy reached over 90%. After the implementation of AOKMAN Factory Information Platform, the production capacity increased by more than 50%. Market application. AOKMAN product line provides the user with a drive solution for different market segments, such as cement drive, sugar mill, mining, pulp and paper, metallurgical, textile, packaging, agriculture, construction, food industry, automation, palm oil, and various other types of machines. Customer service. The product's quality of AOKMAN allies to the security and efficiency of its management, who makes it a brand synonymous with credibility with its suppliers and customers. We are committed to winning a partner rather than a simple supplier. Make a good deal? Always consult AOKMAN professionals. We assure you of the utmost reliability and security for both products and services. We are AOKMAN, the total drive solution provider.